You may have an Excel file that is very important to you and you want to save it in your email address, in your Gmail. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through on how to do that. First is to launch your Google Chrome web browser or your Gmail mobile app. As your browser opens, visit gmail.com and log into your Gmail account, okay? Once you log into your Gmail account, you will have an interface that looks like this. Now, start composing your email. So click on the compose button. Then in the to section, add your email address. Okay? You can see the email address here, contactgodwintech@gmail.com. So I'm going to add that same contactgodwintech@gmail.com. All right? So add that your same email address, the same email address of yours here. All right, I have added my email address, okay, and it shows my name, okay. So now subject, maybe click here and give it a subject of your choice. Let's say my important Excel file. And once you finish giving it subject, you can click here and save your things if you want to do that. But you don't have time. If you don't have time for that or you don't want to save any few things, just click on the attach icon. This will automatically open a folder in your PC. So let me get to where I saved the Excel file. So I'll click here and scroll down until I get to it. Look at this file here. It's a spreadsheet file and it's very, very important to me. So I want to save it in my Gmail account. So I'll click on it for it to be selected and I'll click on open. Give it time for it to load. So once it loads, just like this one here, you can then click on send. So this will be sent to yourself as well. So let's do it. And you can see this has arrived into my inbox. So I sent an email to myself. So anytime I want to get to this file, I can get into my inbox and search for it and use it for what I want to use it for. If you find this content helpful, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we cover a lot on technology, that is information technology. So subscribe to learn more. Leave a comment in the comment section and hit the like button. Thank you and see you some other time.